Ah, Puteng. He wants more. Oh. We don't have pa.
Oh, yes. Bayad ko. Wait. Bayad na bago inom. Magkano yung... Is it over there?
Good morning, everyone. Today we are in the mansion of Mar and April, and she really forced me to eat this. I said I ate already egg, and
I have bread.
she made it, and she said, "Eat that." And she made coffee. And look at how busy she is.
Yeah, for...
So I gonna come and stay here, and maybe later. And that's what I'm talking to Madam, that this time only me. No, later Mar again, I said, because everyday Mar, right? Oh my God. Bye. We're gonna leave Mar now. We're gonna go in the taxi.
Okay.
It's dark here.
Diba? So we are here already in Pattaya Elephant Village, but look like the cafe that we come here before. It's the Mochang Cafe. Let's go check. Check. So we have already one for drinks, and we are going inside.
Yeah.
Welcome to Manila. The show time begin 1:30
1:30 p.m.
in the
showtime.
cafe.
Thank you. Now here we go. They are selling also bananas to feed the animal. And if you have stuff, you can put it here. But and if you want to give a gift. This is the open theater that they have. Wow, Elephant Village. Oh, you want to ride in the swing?
No.
No.
Not this way.
Swing there. Oh.
Scary.
Scary. Sign here says that
Ano bang elephant village?
Elephant
na
show yard. I don't know, but it's written Elephant Village. And then I put the what's this Google, and it bring us here. So let's see.
Maybe this is it. Yeah.
We know, right?
Yeah, because we don't go to see the animals there, right?
Oh, poor kitten. Look so sad. Poor thing. What is in here? Oh, the baby elephant have a dress. Ay, madam, yung coupon ko. Ah, poor baby. Poor baby. So we are going to the cafe. For 10. There's a buffalo there. There's a goat. No, you don't like it? Ah.
Cafe for Vivendi.
Yeah.
And have a this show 1:13 p.m.
Ah.
Yes, this like where you from?
Okay, Philippines.
You're beautiful. Thank you.
Philip.
Mabuhay! You're so cute.
Ready? Take photo.
You want to take photo, madam?
Ready? Yes, together.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So now we're gonna go get our free drink. Huh?
I'll take your picture, okay? Something.
So this is the cafe that you can go to free drinks. Now we are here now in Monchang Cafe, and these are the seats that they prepare for the show. Oh wow, there's an improvement now. Maybe we can sit up, madam. Me and madam got our drinks and we find a spot for us so close to the canoe. And look at these. Poor elephant, they are having a bath. Look so tired. Come on, get it. Good job. Oh, I don't have banana here. Swim up. Oh, poor thing. He wants more. Oh. We don't have banana. Oh, good job.
Think you want whatever land you land on. The earth is just a dead thing you can play. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name.
A bit disappointing because we put on the Google map Elephant Village, but the car bring us here in Monchang Cafe. So we just eat pizza and now time for us to go meet Madam Dichin because she said she don't want to come because she is here already before. So I said okay. It says goodbye, bon voyage. So we're gonna go boat now and we are going to Central. Walang upuan. My bibimbap ball just arrived, but without eggs because they said they ran out of eggs. Oh my god, they put pastas. No, that's yours. So and I have my matcha latte. So they call it Suki Cha. And we are here in Sukiya Spy Family.
I don't understand it. I some like pork teriyaki.
You ordered that, right? She ordered her food and she said she don't understand.
Kain tayo. Oh, is that?
Yee, thank you.
Thank you so much for this.
Oh, hindi kasali ang paper bag.
This is really useful for my blog.
Okay.
Useful.
Ay, nag-bake siya.
She
Ay,
said
wait lang.
she baked
Wait lang.
oy,
Chocolate chip cookie.
chocolate chip. It's soft. She's competing with Chromo One with the
Nag-bake
cookies,
siya?
ha? Oh,
Nag-bake siya?
you did not see him in some of my vlog.
Kagabi
Chromo
kasi,
One. Finally, we meet Madam Dichin now. And she's talking about a cafe in
Walking
Hidden
Street.
cafe.
That is a hidden cafe in Walking Street. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay
Sakit sa tainga. Sir, oh, yes. Tired po. Hindi, madam. There.
Still we did not stop later. Okay.
Okay.
So it's her first time to pay the bus pass. So yeah.
Kala ko jeep lang sa atin ibibigay.
You think that in the Philippines you para po
Yeah.
you get the ano. Oh, she paid. How much you paid, madam? 30. Now we're gonna go to the cafe that Madam Dichin talking about. Oh wait. Uy, she's not watching. She live in Pattaya, by the way. We don't know.
How become Thai?
So Banli Cafe in Pattaya. Leko. Diretso, yes. So we go diretso. Ooh. So here we go. It says smoking area, no weed. For cafe, customer only. So here we go. This is Madam talking about the hidden cafe that she discovered. And outside, you will see this view. The thing is, when you get into this cafe, you're gonna walk until from the very beginning. You smell already the aroma of the bedroom. Ano? Okay, this is the inside. Whoop. Oh, it's so nice. And they have also sweets in here. Ah, they have a lot of rooms. Nice. Parang puno.
Ay, nasa.
Are you sure?
Try muna natin. Pasok na.
Okay. Madam Dichen find the spot here. It's with easy. And this is the view. You can see the Pattaya sign. And the ocean.
Babae na si Madam Peng. Wait, bayad mo na bago inom.
Magkano yung...
Mocha 120, black coconut 130. Doble yung sa'yo.
So this is Mikado hot caramel. And this is the sets that they give. And Madam Caramel Mikado also, but it's cold. Madam, she got to order because she did not understand what she said. So she need to drink too. Taray.
While we are sitting on the table, one of the staff come talk to us and they told us that the table is just for photo only. Because the weather is good, it's not too sunny, so we decided to go outside, and so far we are enjoying the breeze from the ocean and it's nice view in here. And as you can see, the ocean is so calm, and of course we take a lot of photo.
Time for us to go back out in this cafe because at 6 they're gonna be closing. Bat bus time. So we on the bat bus today.
Yes.
We are going back to Sintra.
My second home.
Wow!
Second home. Just sana all second home.
Yun lang kasi madaling puntahan din.
Taps Daily. We are going to buy fruits. For who?
Bilhin ka ba?
For who?
Rambutan o.
Ako yung rambutan lang yung gusto ko. Tapos
Yeah.
siya,
That's,
avocado.
okay. May gulay ako. We are already outside the mall and we are booking for the boat. And I see
Anong road tayo?
the baby.
Beach road.
Get the baby. So this is the night in Beach Road.
Here we go again. Time for us to say goodbye. Again, guys, thank you for watching and hoping to see you all in the next video. Bye everyone. Bye.